I'm Leslee Blanch, Family Consumer Science Associate Extension Educator with University of Idaho in Bonneville County. Today's adaptive kitchen tool is an electric can opener. If you are like I am and have tender wrists and some arthritis in the hands, it can take a lot of grip and sometimes a lot of pain to grip a traditional hand can opener and turn. This electric can opener is actually portable because it's battery operated, so you can not only use it at home, but at picnics, camping, and so forth. It is going to cut the outside edge of the can, leaving no sharp edges. So I'm going to rotate or apply this magnetic portion and then just press it down. There's a little magnet that should attach to that lid top. Pressing this button, and we'll let it do its thing. It's kind of like magic. Just takes a minute. No gripping, no turning. Keep track of where you started on that can. I think that's about where I started. I'm just going to push the button again to turn it off. And this magnet should lift the can top. If it doesn't, you can lift it yourself. And there you've got a very safe edge with no gripping and turning.